the security for the system. Then firewalls, then types of firewalls, packet filters, then टाइप्स ऑफ फायरवॉल में यहाँ पर हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं दैट पैकेट फिल्टर्स, देन वी कैन से द एप्लीकेशन लेवल गेटवे एंड सर्किट लेवल गेटवे. ओके, सो मैं इसको चेंज भी कर देता हूं, एप्लीकेशन लेवल गेटवे एंड सर्किट लेवल गेटवे. Okay, so 3 types of firewalls we have to discuss, and then configuration, and after that some basics about bash and host. Bash and host सुना है किसी ने टर्मिनोलॉजी? नहीं, तो ठीक है, चलते हैं फिर. ओके, सो अच्छा सुना है?
नहीं सुना सर.
अच्छा ठीक है, so we will discuss about it, and this unit will be finished after this. So directly I'm moving to system security. All the points related to system security concerns are written here, like security is concern of organization, it is the important thing. Then unit 4 is related to this security measures and standard approach to protection of local computer assets from external threats is the use of a firewall. So basic things are written over here, so no need to read all the lines. I will upload all the materials related to this unit. So firewall, when we say then evolution of information system, then it is kind of the checkpoint, or we can say the choke point of control and monitoring. ठीक है? So check by rules. There is a huge IRE network of interconnected networks. ठीक है, ये बहुत सारे अभी हम देख रहे हैं that IPv6 का भी जरूरत पड़ गया. IPv4 था तब भी, because of the more number of the systems are involved in, and more number of networks are there on the internet. That's why. So firewall provide this point firewall provides perimeter defense in system. Now the meaning of this is we define the parameters, we set the firewall according to the parameters. ठीक. For example, अभी हम, this is not related to the firewall, but I am simply asking, आप सभी के सिस्टम पर या लैपटॉप पर, डेस्कटॉप या लैपटॉप पर आपने एड ब्लॉकर भी इंस्टॉल किया होगा, कभी ना कभी किया है? Have you installed the ad blocker application on your system?
Yes sir.
हाँ ठीक है, fine. So what it means, sometimes क्या होता है, sometimes that ad blocker blocks the particular web page, although it is not having any harmful content, but still it blocks. So what you do, if you want to see, if you want to visit that web page forcefully, then from the ad blocker option you off the ad blocker on current page. ऐसे ऑप्शन आता है ना, या तो current पेज पर या सभी पेजेस पर वो अभी ऑफ हो जाए ad block. So this is kind of the parameter setting. So same thing, the same procedure is applicable here for the firewall case when we talk about the parameter defense. Okay, after this, we all know that these are the very basic services like service control, direction control, user control, behavior control. These are the 4 basic services. And even though you can write few lines about it, when we talk about the service control, means determines the types of internet services that can be accessed. Direction control means determines the direction in which particular service request may be initiated. User control means control access. आप किस तरीके से आपके फायरवॉल सिस्टम को कंट्रोल करना चाहते हैं. Then behavior control means controls how particular services are used. For example, the firewall may filter email to eliminate spam. So several times, even you also have experienced this thing, that a few mails are in your spam, not in inbox. ठीक है, तो रीजन क्या है इसका, क्यों वो मेल स्पैम में चले जाते हैं? और किसी के सिस्टम में नहीं जाता है सेम मेल. व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट? अच्छा चलो, कोई बोलना नहीं चाह रहा है, ठीक है. द रीजन इज द सेटिंग ऑफ फायरवॉल is something like this, that few parameters, the exact parameters are defined, parameters like the particular words. If there will be blocked words according to your firewall system of the Gmail service, then it will move to the spam as a warning case. अच्छा, exe फाइल को कभी आपने मेल किया है? .exe फाइल, have you mailed from Gmail? Anyone?
नो सर.
नहीं किया.
नहीं.
अच्छा चलो करके देखना, फिर बताना होता है या नहीं. कोई exe? हाँ
ठीक है सर.
ठीक है,
बट कभी करा नहीं अभी तक, मतलब
हाँ,
exe फाइल को.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, बट यू कैन चेक. इवन
कर नहीं सकते सर ये exe फाइल मेल किसी को,
मेल के थ्रू, जीमेल के थ्रू जाती नहीं है वो,
अलाउड नहीं है.
हाँ, इट इज नॉट अलाउड. ठीक है. The reason is exe file is like executable file. It is platform independent file. ठीक है. So it might be the case that that format is prohibited in the Gmail services. तो उसी तरीके से फायरवॉल के केस में भी you can define, you can decide that what kind of the content can be come to your system and what kind of the content you can send to the other system. So this is basically meaning of firewall. Okay, now firewall limitations. Now limitations क्या होता है? Very first limitation is it cannot protect from attacks bypassing it. देखो, one thing is launching the attack, another thing is prevention from the dangerous condition. तो आपने फिल्टर तो लगा दिया है आपके नेटवर्क पर. We will see all the things with the help of diagram even, but you cannot say that if you are having firewall then intruder cannot launch any kind of the attack. No, ऐसा नहीं है. वो launch तो कर सकता है if your firewall is strong enough with the parameters. सपोज आपने 10 पैरामीटर्स के बेसिस पर आपका फायरवॉल डिजाइन किया, लेकिन अगर अटैकर ने या इंट्रूडर ने 15 पैरामीटर्स को टारगेट करते हुए अटैक लॉन्च किया, तो 10 पैरामीटर के बेसिस पर तो फाइल रुक जाएगा, बट 5 पैरामीटर्स के लिए आपके सिस्टम के फायरवॉल में कोई भी ऑप्शन नहीं है, सेटिंग नहीं है, तो वो somehow वो अटैक लॉन्च हो सकता है. इट मे बी the harmful, it might be harmful attack to your system or computer. तो कभी भी 100% सिक्योरिटी फायरवॉल के साथ नहीं मिल सकती, because there are n number of parameters. It cannot protect against internal threats. ये भी एक इशू, प्रॉब्लम है. देखो, internal threats क्या होता है? अभी we have talked about one thing, that exe file, executable file we cannot send, but one thing is possible. The thing is we can attach the executable file. आया ना? देखो अभी शायद शाश्वत ने बोला था कि नहीं होता, शाश्वती था ना?
Yes, sir. Yes.
हाँ, तो but Shashwat and other students, but we can do one thing, that we can attach that mail. If it will not go, it's okay, we cannot send that mail, but it will save to the draft box as a draft. ठीक है, सेव रहेगा ना वो मेल में, exe file. Fine. Now what we can do, if I want to share that exe file, that we can do one thing. If Shashwat is trying to send exe file and he has attached one file in his email and he will share the password with other one, password of email id. तो अब जो सेकंड पर्सन है वो उसको सेम ईमेल आईडी को ओपन करेगा और उस एग्जीक्यूटेबल फाइल को ओपन कर लेगा. सो दिस इज काइंड ऑफ द इंटरनल थ्रेड्स. अब आप इससे, ये तो एक एग्जांपल है, ऐसे बहुत सारे एग्जांपल होते हैं. तो वी कैन नॉट रिमूव ऑल द थिंग्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ फायरवॉल. इट कैन नॉट प्रोटेक्ट अगेंस्ट ट्रांसफर ऑफ ऑल वायरस इन्फेक्टेड प्रोग्राम्स और फाइल्स. तो ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होता कि आप सभी तरीके के वायरस, बिकॉज वायरस इज ऑल्सो अ प्रोग्रामिंग फाइल. वायरस इन्फेक्टेड प्रोग्राम इज अ फाइल, कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग फाइल. तो जब तक आप चेक लगाते हैं, जितने मर्जी चेक्स लगा लीजिए, अगर उस चेक के बाहर से सिस्टम फाइल बनी हुई है तो फिर वो पास कर देगा उसको, और हो सकता है वो फाइल आपके सिस्टम को या सामने जो रिसीवर सिस्टम है उसको करप्ट करे. So these are the limitations. Now, as I told you, these are the three common types of firewall: that packet filtering, application level gateway, and circuit level gateway. Now, packet filtering. This is the simplest, the very first. If anyone will say that firewall is installed at particular machine, so suddenly you can say that packet filtering must be there, because this is packet filtering must be there because this is the very basic filtering technique, packet filters. So what it means, what we do with the help of packet filtering process, we simply filtering out the packets, data packets. अभी हम ना तो application की बात कर रहे हैं, ना ही we are not talking about any kind of the circuits, any kind of the particular layer of the TCP/IP, simply data packets. So data packets will be denied and will be accepted with the help of the conditions or rules, by the rules. Okay. So default, कुछ default policies होते हैं particular port numbers के लिए, particular words के लिए. ठीक है. Suppose अगर there will be a packet, ठीक है, and it is having one word, let's say terrorist. Okay, so definitely any kind of the packet filtering firewalls, there must be some kind of the alarming condition, और हो सकता है वो उस पैकेट को ही ड्रॉप कर दे. तो इस तरीके से आप रूल सेट कर सकते हैं. Now this is firewall packet filtering case. अच्छा चलो हम इसको ऐसे कर लेते हैं. अभी ग्लास बोर्ड विजिबल है? I think it is visible to all of you, ना?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Okay. Okay, so this is the very first case regarding firewall. So this is word of internet, simple. Now here we are not talking about any kind of any specific layer, at which layer we are working, layer of TCP/IP or OSI, whatever. ठीक है. Any special application? No specific application. So word of internet is there, and then once packet filtering router is there or the firewall, packet filter firewall, then this is our network. Then with the help of security parameters, ये जो parameters, security parameters है, these are the based on the set of rules. So few rules are predefined and few rules we can set accordingly. And on behalf of these rules, this packet will be passed or not. That's it. This is the simple case. Now, if we will move, so this is the firewall packet filters like system security. This complete thing I have taken from the William Stalling book directly, and they are just saying like the actions. There are 5 different actions, okay, 5 different tables, not actions. So according to the port number, ठीक है, अगर पोर्ट 25 पर आता है देन इसको अलाउ कर दिया जाए. ये अपर लाइन is like the blocking case, lower line is like the allowing case. So you can define this thing that for the different ports, according to the different ports and according to the different flags, we can set that particular packet will be passed or not. So now, as I told you that this is very basic firewall system. So definitely just wait. So there will be kind of the attacks, possible attacks. So first attack is like IP address spoofing. So fake source address to be trusted. देखो, because of the only packets, the content of the packet, देखो, actually content of the packet is not checking in this packet filtering case. Only the source address and the destination address and the port number is checking with the help of this packet filtering process. तो अगर suppose करिए in the particular network, if there are, let's say, 10 users and each user is having particular IP addresses, and if this packet will come from the different IP addresses, from the different IP address other than this 10 users IP address, then this packet will be blocked. Okay, fine. But we can do one thing, that like IP address spoofing. Okay, address spoofing में क्या हो सकता है? We can somehow do one thing. If this is intruder and this is the packet और ये launch किया, अब इस packet को somehow उसने किसी तरीके से IP address वही मेंशन कर दिया जो कि यहाँ पर 10 यूजर्स हैं उनमें से किसी एक का. तो अब ये इन्फेक्टेड फाइल उस चैनल में उस राउटर के थ्रू पास हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज काइंड ऑफ द अटैक. Like source routing attack, attacker sets a route other than default. Same thing, like a different route भी routes से related है port number, किस port पर वो आ रहा है, तो आप वो भी change कर सकते हैं. Then it will be problem. So tiny fragment attacks, so split header information over several tiny packets. We have seen even when we talk about the ARP, okay, address resolution protocol. So ARP header, ARP itself is not sent. ARP will be sent with the help of Ethernet frame, and Ethernet frame is having other fields than the ARP. तो ARP के other fields along with the ARP data, ARP packet. तो ARP packet के साथ में उसमें कुछ information, header information, synchronization information, CRC information, तो आप उसको भी change कर सकते हैं. तो वो तो सिर्फ राउटर पे सिर्फ पैकेट को चेक कर रहा है, nothing else. So this is the thing. So this is very basic. firewall. Now stateful packet filters address something like this कि आप उसको एग्जामाइन कर सकते हैं पैकेट को, ठीक है, और एक्सेसिबिलिटी को मींस नॉट एक्सेसिबिलिटी, चेकिंग कंडीशन को एनहांस कर सकते हैं. सो फायरवॉल एप्लीकेशन लेवल गेटवे, इसको आप प्रॉक्सी भी बोलते हैं, प्रॉक्सी लेवल गेटवे या सिंपली एप्लीकेशन लेवल गेटवे. दिस इज आल्सो अ टाइप ऑफ फायरवॉल. नाउ इट हैज फुल एक्सेस टू प्रोटोकॉल. User requests service from proxy. Proxy validates request as legal. Then actions request and returns result to user. So basically there is kind of the provision, complete provision for setting, complete provision for setting up the firewall. Okay. तो यहाँ पर आप पहले रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, मींस कनेक्शन, प्रॉपर कनेक्शन विल बी देयर. ऐसा नहीं सडनली पैकेट आ गया एंड देन यू आर चेकिंग. देन दिस इज काइंड ऑफ द बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एप्लीकेशन लेवल गेटवे. दैट दिस इज आउटसाइड होस्ट, मींस दिस इज इनसाइड होस्ट. नाउ इन एप्लीकेशन लेवल गेटवे, आउटसाइड होस्ट से मतलब है that someone is sitting at the internet, world of internet, and that wants to establish a connection, communication with you. So this inside host is nothing but this is us. ठीक है. Now application level gateway, telnet, FTP, SMTP. So the checking will be there according to the application level gateway, and once application checking is done with the help of application, the content will also be checked. Okay. And according to the content checking, so the particular the words will be also checked, that if you do not want to have those words like terrorist, okay, so वो फिर उसको भी रोक देता है. So this is one step ahead of the packet filtering. After this, circuit level gateway. So once we have done on the basis of packets, we have done on the basis of the applications. Now we will check at the circuit level also. Okay. So once created, usually relays traffic without examining contents. Okay. अब यहाँ पर कंटेंट को और आप you can even check the content with proper examinations. तो एप्लीकेशन लेवल गेटवे में भी होता है, बट उस लेवल पर नहीं करते हम कंटेंट चेक जिस तरीके से सर्किट लेवल में करते हैं. So this is the basic circuit level connection. Like this is outside host, and once connection is established, देखो port by port, ये कुछ इस तरीके से आप इसको we can understand the basic thing according to the अच्छा, TCP/IP या OSI layer में there are two different layers, network layer and another is the transport layer. Okay, can anyone tell me what is the specific working of network layer and what is the specific task that will be performed with the help of transport layer? बताएगा कोई? Network layer handles what thing and transport layer handles what thing? Almost basically both the layer handle the almost the similar thing, but still one major difference is there. What is the difference? Or what is the specific task that network layer perform and transport layer performs? अच्छा चलो, कोई नहीं बताना चाहता. ठीक है, तो इसको ऐसे समझ सकते हैं हम that with the help of network layer, we try to communicate with the two different networks. Okay, but with the help of transport layer, the communication between communication between the two nodes, between two specific nodes or systems in different networks. So this is, so transport layer handles point to point communication, and network layer handles network to network. So whenever we talk about the application layer, so in that after packet we can handle the thing regarding network to network, but in transport layer you can easily see this kind of the connection is there. It means it is checking this the traffic according to the node to node. So this is again extended version of the firewall, that is circuit level gateway. Okay, and after this if we move, okay, so after these are the basic firewalls, and few things are still we can talk even. First is Bashan host. Okay, so this is because once we talk about the configuration of the firewall, na, so we must have to check that what is the best place where we can apply, we can have the firewall system. So whenever we talk about the configuration, so this one term suddenly comes into the picture, that is Bashan host. Okay, so it is just wait. Okay, so it is highly secure host system. Fine. It runs circuit application level gateways. It also provides externally accessible services. Bashan host potentially exposed to hostile element, and it may support 2 or more internet connections. So what kind of the host is this? We can easily understand from here. So here, if there is a line, if there is a particular connection establishment, then अभी हो के चले गए सारे, चुपचाप बैठे हो. Okay, if we talk about the Bashan node, so it is a system defined by the firewall administrator as a critical strong point in the network security. Okay, तो आपके पूरे firewall system में where you are establishing the firewall system, or you are configuring the firewalls system, then there must be one critical point that you have to handle very carefully, because if critical point means if that particular point is compromised, then there will be no meaning of having the firewall system. That is why I'm reading it again. A Bashan host is a system identified by the firewall administrator as a critical strong point in the network security. So this just wait, I'm sharing again digital board. Now this is the Bashan host, and this is the critical, say this is critical situation from where the packet filtering router is also handled. Other internet services are also there, private networks are also there, server is there. So each and everything can be handled with the help of this Bashan host. So this is kind of the critical point, and that critical point will be defined by the uh, firewall administrator. Okay, so this is the basic definition of Bashan hosts. Different the configuration are there, that inside router, outside router. It is related to the transmission and receiving the data packets, something like this. तो ये इस तरीके से होना चाहिए Bashan host. अदरवाइज आपका कंप्लीट फायरवॉल विल बी कॉम्प्रोमाइज, आप जितना मर्जी अच्छा फायरवॉल लगा लें, ठीक है. सो ओके, आफ्टर दिस वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट द ट्रस्टेड कंप्यूटर सिस्टम, बिकॉज अब ये सिर्फ दो, देयर आर टू टॉपिक्स are left. One is Trojan horse, another is the system security. So both the things we will talk about in the next lecture, and immediately our this unit, fourth unit, will be finished. There is no more the topics. Okay, anyone, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I'm stopping the sharing, and it is enough. Now I'm done for today, and last two topics we will discuss in the, as I told you, we will discuss in the next lecture, and immediately I will start the final unit, and fifth unit is basically related to the wireless network security. And okay, I'm going to remind you again that at the Thursday there will be a second quiz, and timings are also mentioned in the announcement. Okay, fine. So thank you. Now I'm ending this session.